Add pellets. Plug in unit. Set your temp.
And that's the igniter that will light the pellet. It's going to build up a little pile, and as it builds up a little pile, so eventually what will happen is that this will take over and it will just turn into a flame. And then there's a fan, and the fan will blow it. Like you can see it's already blowing it, and then that's what kind of, you have spark, you have fuel, and then you have air, and that will turn into a flame. Okay, so once you reach temp, the auger is going to stop feeding the pellets. It's more like an oven type cook than what it is a grill type cook. That's where you get the flavor in the smoke.